Hi everyone, this is Jennifer with Weekends Count and I'm very excited. This is the Cell pH Balance Band and I really like it because it looks just like those bands at the fair. And so this is, you can smell the Citronella scent and it's very neat because all you have to do is go with one of the perforations or the holes and whoop, and then on the other side you can actually stick the hole in and affix the band. But let's see if I can find a hole that I can just, there we are, there you go. And so you just tuck that in and you're good to go. And so you can smell the scent, it smells delightful, and I can't wait to tell you guys how this actually does once I cut the brush. And if you don't mind showing the brush that we're gonna cut, that would be awesome. So just cut the film. This is the brush that we're going to cut in a few moments, and as you can see, there's a lot of it. And we still have mosquitoes, so we cut the branches from the front yard and we place them in the backyard. And so and I have my citronella candle going here, and that's not going to taint the research because I'm actually going to use it on the other side of the brush. But yeah, that's what we're doing today, and I'm going to show you how well the band performs. But you can actually use this on your kids' ankle or etc. Cool. And so this is going to keep the mosquitoes away. Do you like mosquitoes? No. All right. So we're going to see how this works too. Yay! Awesome.